Hello, everyone. I'm coming to you with my Publix Ibotta shopping trip. Today is Friday, and this is what I managed to pick up. I picked up 2 of the Keebler Townhouse crackers. They were on BOGO for $3.69, and there is $1 off a 2 coupon you can print off at Kellogg's Family Reward site. I'll link that down below. There is also about a rebate, $1 off of each box. So that brought that down to 69 cents or 35 cents a piece for the crackers. Then I picked up the Betty Crocker Cinnamon Toast Crunch cookie mix. They were BOGO, $2.99. And there were just about a rebate on those for just 50 cents on each one. So that brought that down to $1.99 or $1 package. Then I picked up the Heinz ketchup. They didn't have the one for the burger. So the regular ketchup scans perfectly fine on Ibotta. So I picked up 2 of those, and they were BOGO for $2.87. And like I said, there was a Ibotta rebate for $2.50 back on each one. So that made those a freebie and a moneymaker. I didn't write the total down, but I'll have it in the description box. I picked up the FIJI water. Those were BOGO for $5.49. Excuse me. And I picked up the wrong ones on the FIJI. So no, the FIJI was right. I'm looking at something else. I'm sorry. The FIJI was $3.09, and they were BOGO, and there were Ibotta rebates for 75 cents off of those. The last but not least, it was Follow Your Heart. That was on BOGO for $5.49. And Ibotta had a rebate for $2.50 back on each one. Said that brought that down to 49 cents or 25 cents a piece on the vegan cheese. I got smoked Gouda and American. I never tried vegan cheese before, so I am excited to try it and see what it tastes like. So my total for all 10 items was $17.13. There was no tax because it was all food. Now, what I got back from the apps was I scanned my receipt to NCP, which is National Consumer Program. Mypoints, I got 3 cents. FIJI, I got a whopping 6 cents. Ibotta, I got $14.60. So my final cost was $2.44 or 24 cents an item, which that's terrific because that Follow Your Heart cheese is $5 by itself, and what the next expensive thing would be the crackers, and the FIJI water was around $3. So to pay 24 cents a piece on each item, I think that was a fantastic deal. I have all the information in the breakdown in the description box. If you like this video, share it, subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.